I encountered an issue while trying to connect Farcaster to Layer 3. When I clicked on the connect button on Layer 3, which was here instead of disconnect, I was redirected to Warpcast, but nothing happened. I want to share how I fixed this problem in case it helps someone else, as I couldn't find any information about this issue. First, go to Warpcast, then navigate to Profile, Edit Profile, Verified Addresses. I didn't have any address listed here, so I just needed to add my primary address from Layer 3. Open Layer 3. Here is my primary address. Return to Warpcast and add your primary address here. Verify it. This process is free. Here is how to do it. Click on Verify Address, select Network, I use Ethereum, click on Connect Wallet. For me it's MetaMask. Select the account that is used as primary on Layer 3. Next. Connect. Verify ownership, sign message. And sign in MetaMask. Return to Warpcast. Connect again on Layer 3, but nothing happened. I left everything as it was for several hours. When I returned to Layer 3 later, I finally saw that Farcaster was connected to Layer 3. This process was not straightforward for me, and there might have been some technical issues. If you encounter the same problem while connecting Farcaster to Layer 3, you may want to try these steps and hopefully you will be able to connect successfully.